wasn't cut out for love, 'cause I wasn't really sure what it was. But my heart it flutters when you call my name. You have reached into my soul, and then you say, being with you, darling, it drives all my pains away, and it hurts a little less my yesterdays. The sky seems bluer and the air so sweet, all because I finally found my missing piece. If my life's a storybook, then baby you're the best part. Like coming out a tunnel, you're the light after the dark. A love like ours I never thought I'd find. I almost forgot the world can also be kind. The flowers and the butterflies aren't enough, 'cause dear you give me birds in my stomach. Oh, 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 oh. Birds in my stomach. Oh, oh, oh. I'm falling deeper each and every single day, with things you do and things that you say. 'Cause you're so cute, even when you think you aren't. Oh baby, you have stolen my heart. Now I live to see your smile and hear your laugh, and I feel safe as holding your hand. Now every day I wake, I'm looking forward to just simply being in love with you. If my life's a storybook, then baby you're the best part. Like coming out a tunnel, you're the light after the dark. A love like ours I never thought I'd find. I almost forgot the world can also be kind. The flowers and the butterflies aren't enough, 'cause dear you give me birds in my stomach. Oh, 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 oh. The constellations you outshine, the galaxies akin to your mind. I'd stop the march of time just to be with you longer, just to be with you forever. If my life's a storybook, then baby you're my favorite part. I'm finally coming home, 'cause you're my way out of the dark. A love like ours I'm so blessed to call mine.